money.
That's the power for this offer, but my person better they can be a and then I come out and son.
You want to travel? You want to travel?
Bella, let's hear you.
Okay. I think it's a good idea. Yes, and we want the best for us, so yeah, we would want to go and continue life there.
Perfect.
Right?
Perfect.
Because it's here, Jumana Yasha, you be overstanding. Timanka, maybe I'm a person, I will have a crown for like a few more years. Bella can take the lead. Go to school and I do not start Juma. Should find out me soon. We know of Juma Hakaka for a few more years now. Maybe I have vacation with the man. I can also go and come.
Prince.
Okay.
My dear, I sometimes don't get to this boy.
Oh, look at the Bonini.
Oh, seriously?
Oh, Bonini. What you say? For now, you said, oh, boy, Tikabeka, Bella, uncle.
Yes.
Now the problem so I my watching.
Mira, one Mama Nkansah. I am surprised because were you not the same person who was so adamant in, pursuing your uncle's business in the north? So why the change of mind right now?
You come with you. What's okay?
Huh?
No,
So
something.
You hear me?
No, your uncle laid the groundwork for you overseeing his business interest in the north, but you refused to go. But right now you're saying the same thing.
I kind of boy
some time back.
Scam to it and then they I come to a video say, oh my God.
And you Bella too, you said you didn't want to go. Right now you want to go. So which is which?
Mommy, he's right. See, going abroad is a very good idea, but staying here to support and help Daddy's business grow is the best.
You're not supposed to stay. I said that for me. I didn't say it for you. Why you?
Hey, Bella.
No.
What qualification do you have to oversee your father's business?
I'm surprised.
At the very least, Prince has a first degree, so you cannot compare yourself to him.
Yes, but I can also support him in a way.
You've done
Hey,
enough.
Neighbor. I make a request from Nkansah. Who is a buffet man Vanessa? Huh? Sabo for some. Serusi says I'm a couple of officer. No, we say, Mina, Mancos come messy for one. I'm muting one. Yes,
Easy.
Moka Sangwa Sakase. That's a was a was
Easy, my dear.
I didn't make I watch it. What's your bunko? What's my call? What's your Mako? Manko? He said, what was that say? I didn't want you home.
We will both stay and help.
All right, I am stepping in right now. You are leaving to the UK. Prince is staying in Ghana to oversee his uncle's businesses. Period.
No.
What is
And Amira.
Hey, I didn't know.
How do you go? Just
Hey.
take the lead out.
One go free be in there. Masa say. Na, I didn't win. I did some. Over.
No. Daddy. Go stay back.
Stay back and do what?
Do you want to incur your father's wrath again? Have you forgotten what he did to you some time back, Bella?
Stop changing your mouth.
Yeah. Yes, in there. But come and tell me who that. I come and tell you where you say. I come and girlfriend. I said, me can't be with that. Me more contusion to be with that. Eh, me no was it. Me never know Sika. I'm a woman, I make one woman pa. From Ninuko, Monsano Pacha. It's okay. Monsano,
problematic.
what do you What be a trans? What be a trans?
You guys are so problematic.
Nakamasari. Maria,
You and who are so? What are you talking about?
I like Gumbo.
You're
It's
sorry
okay.
about what?
What am I going? What? Mumbo.
Oh boy.
Manda Boche, and I'm with Yagro, Mempo, with the canny. Yato I've never before cried to say me.
Yeah. Listen. You can't
Definitely, Macho. Someone just said, Mama Saboso. Ah! Definitely,
Stage I will do in life. Before we them wow.
Oh, as you feel the man, you grow. As some person, a man, 18 was a 18 body. Says you tell Munty, you scanty. Danaba. No more Jimmy. What am I? Danaba. I did want no pam. Scanty go to be free. Can't pay you too. Boka, no, why are you at?
Oh my dear, you are right in all your assertions, but as a man can also the right on which you say a deal of it. As our force never be until no one
It's okay.
You leave it to me, I'll be talking to them periodically. Why?
Say my dear sir. My dear sir. Oh, the German and America. It's okay.
Why are you bringing your anger on me?
Please. Don't stress me, please.
My love. Mr. Bitiako. Sweetie.
Oh, with Adenchi.
Hello. Darling. Okay.
Am I you? Something. When
Peace all is one.
You always go for the best. And welcome to so long.
I was checking on
I said, there be a side. There be a chance here. There be a papa meba, and I made my name. What is about? No, one is some comedy. We didn't know that was so.
And I'm checking. I'm checking.
Maybe I saw somebody. Oh, one name call.
What is wrong with you? Why did you have to leave the table so abruptly? Huh?
I wasn't really hungry before it's night. I just want to wait a little. I'll eat a little later.
Prince, I know you. If you didn't feel for food, you would have told me beforehand. So why did you just leave the table so abruptly when Bella came to sit down?
Maybe it's a coincidence.
Don't tell me you guys are quarreling again. Huh?
No.
Do you people want me to die before my time? Why is there no peace between you two? What is the bone of contention now? What are you guys quarreling about? Has she disrespected you again?
No, Auntie, she hasn't. To be honest, I'm okay. You just go back and go and continue eating. I'll come and join you soon.
And you think I'll be able to eat?
Auntie, I'm coming, please. I want to go and use the washroom too, so.
Alright. I'm giving you some time to unwind. But bear it in mind that I'll still leave your dinner in the oven.
Yes, Auntie.
I have to see an empty plate by morning.
Yes, Auntie, I'll come.
Alright?
Yes, please.
So if the fare we are having is what you don't want, tell me. I'll get you something else.
That's not the case.
Hey, Bella. They better not go to the president. Ah, why are we happy on Sorokoro?
Okay, Mom. There's nothing going on.
And I'm going to come up with Fisa, oh my, would you come? What's that? See a pet? What's the matter? Huh?
There's nothing going on. Maybe, like he said, he's going to use the washroom.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, better to say him. Yeah.
Okay.
My dear.
Oh, what's it?
I'll say,
I better so.
Get to know who you are in Christ. And the only way you can get to know, the only way you can discover yourself is by searching the scriptures. Prophecy is good, but the word is above. Do you want to live forever? Grasp the word. Do you want to do great things? Grasp the word. Same type of snake, same venom, killed many. They are waiting for Paul to die. They waited and waited. And you see, as this knowledge of God's word enter your spirit, what your enemies waited for others to die in the family, they will wait for you and you will not die, but you will live to declare the works of God.
Yeah, come in.
Bella. Are you okay? Huh?
Yes, I'm fine.
No, you've been indoors the whole day. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I just don't feel like stepping out. That's why I'm okay.
And you're not hungry too?
I don't feel like eating.
Bella. Is that not the sanitary pad I bought for you? Why? Did you not use it?
No, that's not it. I bought a new one. Yes.
Did your monthly flow come?
Yes, Mom, yes.
You sure?
Yeah, yes, I just chopped up.
No, let me have it. Let me have a look at it. That is the exact thing I gave you.
Mom, what are you saying?
Huh?
There are plenty of these. I just bought a new one.
You sure? Well, if you say so.
Yeah.
I came to check up on you. So if you are good, I'm also good.
I'm fine.
Do you care for anything?
No.
It's past noon.
I'll be coming.
Eat something.
Yeah. I'll be coming out shortly. I'm fine. Mom. Stop.
Well, if you say so.
get up and leave my room. Get out of my room. What are you doing here?
I have something to tell you.
So you can say it outside. Let's go outside and go and say it outside. What do you have to say?
Hey, calm down.
Are you up to do something? What's that? What's that?
What do you mean, what's that? Don't tell me you don't know what this is.
I don't know what it is. So if you're going to
Have a look.
Start talking. What is that? What is it?
You understand? Take. Okay. If you don't know what this is, I'll educate you. This is a pregnancy kit. And I'm pregnant. For you.
You're what? What? You're pregnant? How? What? How are you pregnant? What are you talking about? Huh? I'm asking you a question. Talk to me. What do you mean you're pregnant? You're pregnant for who? What are you talking about?
What do you mean I'm pregnant for who?
Bella, what is wrong with you? Are you a witch or something? What is all this? What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
I'm pregnant.
Why? What have I done to deserve this? Like, are you nuts? Is there something wrong with you? You're pregnant for me. How? Does this make sense to you? It's funny. Get out of my room. Get out of my room. Take your trash.
Hey!
Go. Get out of here with your nonsense. Go.
You see me buy nipa. You say come and see me be buy money.
I'll be a if you are my phone back. Get out of here. Go.
I'm not that.
Pregnant made somebody in front of the ring. I've been harboring your nonsense for a very long time. You're the cause of everything that is going on. Like, my downfall is because of you. I have no idea why you did what you did.
Why are you putting blames? Why are you putting blames? Instead of thinking of something else for us to...
Bring your voice down. Bring your voice down. Bring your voice down. No matter how I speak to your parents, you're never going to believe me. So I have to, like, think of what to do. So don't be coming at me.
So start thinking.
Don't be coming at me with... I'm thinking, allow me to think. Don't be coming up. How am I supposed to bring a solution if you just when I go somewhere to think and you come at me where I go somewhere? What's the problem? Give me some time to process what's going on. Let me bring out a solution.
Time at this point. Time. Friends, you're talking about time at this point. Please. Or you want me to tell them?
I don't know what you want to
You want me to
tell
go
them
and
what?
tell...
What do you want to tell them? Why do you want to do this to me? I've forgotten what?
Look here. You want me to tell them everything, right?
You're so evil.
Don't joke with me. Come up with something good, please.
I'll think of something. Just give me time. I'm thinking. Just allow me. I'll think of another thing. If this one didn't work, I'll think of another plan. Just leave me to be.
Can we?
Can we what?
Let's go inside.
Go, I'm coming. Just take the lead. I'm coming. There's no need for us to go in together. Go. Your man is waiting for you, so go.
You're still the love of my life. Peace all in this morning. Are you okay?
I'm fine. What's up?
I want to talk to you.
So talk, I'm listening.
Not here. In my room.
I'm not going to your room, okay? So if you have something to say, start saying it.
Why are you always behaving like this?
Look, Bella, I'm not going to your room. If you say you have something to say it and then let me know what to do.
I'm always going to stand out and talk.
Look, say what you have to say and stop. You are getting on my... Say what you have to... Don't... Say what you have to say and go. What are you doing here?
I want us to have the conversation.
Say what you have...
We are planning
Planning what? Look, say what you have to say and get out of my sight. Don't. What should I say again? Say what you have to say and go.
Relax. Am I fighting you? No. I just want us to know the way forward with a plan. That's all. So let's go to my room and talk.
Look, don't get me. Go, get out of. If you say what, you are getting on my nerves. Say what you have to say and go. Bella,
I want us to have this.
I'm not going into your bedroom. So if you have something to say, start talking. Start talking. If not, just get out of my sight. I'm trying to think. Why is that every time I stand aside to think you come?
What is wrong with you?
Go.
Do you even care about this whole situation?